Here is interesting app for Instagram. It's called Reels Maker. This app is in top charts and it's really cool and it's really simple to use. It genuinely has 4.8 out of 5 average rating. And yeah, you can transform your Instagram Reels into captivating masterpieces with Beat, the intuitive and powerful Reel Maker app. With just a few taps, you can choose from a collection of unique templates, add your photos, and effortlessly syncs with top trending music on social media. Take the guesswork out of creating Instagram Reels with our easy to use app for Reels templates. From the newest and hottest tracks, you can create unforgettable Reels that will boost your likes and followers. So this app, what is cool about is that it just has all of these templates, like hundreds of templates for your reels. Just download this app. You can choose from a range of reels templates that suits your mood and style. One of the outstanding features of Beat is its music selection. With our app for Reels templates, you can quickly and easily create high quality Instagram Reels that will capture your audience attention in no time. So Beat provides you with access to the latest tracks, allowing you to make your Instagram Reels unforgettable. With the auto sync feature, your photos automatically change according to the music beat, making your videos dynamic and captivating for your audience. And then you can just share it directly from the app. Uh, so that's the idea. There is intuitive reel editing application. Bit provides you with hassle-free experience when creating reels, whether you're a professional content creator or just starting out. So are you ready to take your Instagram reels to the next level? Try it out. Let's just take a look at it. So here you can see, yeah, you can also create for TikTok, for YouTube Shorts, enjoy beat transitions, apply stunning filters, use trendy templates, share in seconds. So let's take a look. Now, as you can see, this is how it looks like. So you just have an overview of all these templates in here. Now you have the nice offer if you choose it, $29.99 for first year and then $60 for the second year. So pretty good deal for this app. So yeah. So you have library. By the way, you can invite friends in here. So there is like a invitation link in here. So you can just feel free to use my link. I don't know whether it will bring you something, but at least that's just what you have. And then, yeah, you can search for different theme songs. Yeah, you have your projects, you have library. So let's try to create a new project. So you can add both photo and video. So for example, I just want to add like 3 photos. And then you just have all of these templates where you have some like very popular tracks on TikTok. And the cool thing about this app is that it adjusts the transition according to the song. So it adjusts the beat of the music to your videos or to your photos, and it does it really cool. So yeah, there are two types of templates. I will tell you later. As you can see, some of them just have this crown, and some of them they have this endless icon. So there are universal and basic templates because for some of templates you can't obviously use the music in there. But yeah, there you have it. And additionally, you can attach different filters. You can experiment more. Unfortunately, you can't export in a free version, unfortunately. So it's not possible. You need to upgrade to fully use the app and export all of it. But yeah, here's, you can just see it, just playing with it. Then it's just being saved to your projects, and you can just explore more of it. And yeah, and then there is a nice overview of what other people created, kind of like Instagram. You can get some inspiration from that. And So there are more apps from this developer. And how to use, yeah, here you have basic templates. This is where you can export without audio. Templates contain popular licensed music from social media. That's why the video is exported without sound. You can choose the audio track right after export already in TikTok or Reels. So that's how it works. And then there are universal templates, export with audio. They just have this their licensed music, and you have this endless icon next to them. So two types of templates. But yeah, there you have